Hey everybody, hope you're having a fantastic day and welcome back to another video. So guys, today we're diving into a topic that has absolutely everyone talking. Seriously, you won't believe what just went down in the Diddy trial. In this video, we're really going to pull back the curtain and reveal some truths that might just blow your mind. We'll look at those shocking texts between Diddy and Cassie that are now out in the open. I mean, is there really some big conspiracy going on here? We'll also get into Cassie's testimony, which got pretty emotional in court, and how Diddy's defense team is trying to use these texts. Plus, we'll check out the latest updates on this whole high-profile trial. Yeah, if you haven't heard about all this yet, honestly, you are seriously missing out. We have a lot of really interesting stuff to break down about this, but hey, before we jump in, do me a quick favor. Go ahead and smash that like button on this video, and definitely subscribe so you do not miss out on more interesting videos just like this. Alright, let's kick things off with those text messages that have seriously changed things in this trial. 162 pages of legal documents containing conversations between Sean Diddy Combs and his former girlfriend Cassie Ventura have been unsealed. So basically, these messages tell the story of their roughly 11-year relationship, which ran from about 2007 to 2018. These texts include everything from just their day-to-day check-ins to really affectionate messages, and yeah, some pretty sexually explicit stuff too. These messages surfaced when Diddy's lawyers tried to use them in court to argue against Cassie's abuse allegations. The defense team is trying to use these texts to argue that Cassie was like a willing participant in these freak-offs, but Cassie's testimony completely contradicts that. Cassie Ventura took the witness stand in Manhattan federal court for 4 days. She spoke openly about her harrowing experience, detailing alleged rape, coerced sex, beatings, and other abuses. Cassie tearfully told the court that she would even give back the $20 million settlement she got from Sean Diddy Combs if it meant she never had to participate in those humiliating drug-fueled sex parties or freak-offs. She received this settlement in November 2023, just hours after filing a lawsuit. Cassie testified that she felt forced into these sessions because Diddy would threaten her with violence. She also said that Diddy threatened to publicly release sexual videos of her if she made him angry. Cassie also brought up the hotel incident from 2016, which happened on March 5, 2016, where surveillance footage showed Diddy hitting, kicking, and dragging her. This footage went public last year in 2024. After that incident, Cassie texted Diddy, "I'm not a ragdoll, I'm somebody's child." She explained that these freak-offs could sometimes last for days and involved heavy drug use, which she said later led to her opioid addiction. Cassie told the court that these experiences made her feel worthless and like her job was basically a sex worker. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty heavy, you know? It's a really tough thing to even imagine. Now, Diddy's lawyers are trying to use these texts to really question Cassie's credibility. During cross-examination, the defense team showed messages where Cassie seemed to agree to sexual encounters or even help arrange them. The defense is claiming that their relationship was toxic, sure, but that it was not a criminal enterprise and that any sex during the freak-offs was consensual. They also pointed out what they see as inconsistencies in Cassie's testimony, especially regarding the timeline of the alleged rape in 2018. However, the prosecutor had Cassie read more messages to help provide that missing context. One exchange that came up was where Diddy asked Cassie if she wanted to FO one last time tonight, freak off, and Cassie replied, "What?" Combs said, "You can't read." Then Cassie responded, "I do not want to freak off for the last time. I want it to be the first time for the rest of our lives." Cassie explained that initially she was willing to participate to make Diddy happy and spend time with him, but over time, she just got totally tired of these encounters and started to hate them. It's kind of a complex situation, right? There are a lot of layers to it. This trial is really centered on some serious charges against Sean Diddy Combs, including sex trafficking, racketeering conspiracy, and transportation for prostitution. Combs has pleaded not guilty to all these charges. Cassie Ventura is the prosecution's main witness, and her testimony has been incredibly impactful. Besides Cassie, Danity Kane singer Dawn Richard also testified, saying she saw Diddy physically assault Cassie back in 2009. A U.S. Homeland Security special agent also testified about the cash, drugs, and baby oil sized up from Diddy's hotel room when he was arrested in September 2024. The trial is expected to continue next week, and more witnesses are anticipated from the prosecution. It's being reported that this trial could possibly go on into June. If Diddy is convicted, he could be facing life in prison. Oh man, that's a serious potential outcome. So guys, the text between Diddy and Cassie's testimony have definitely added more layers and complexity to this trial. This case is still ongoing, and it seems like new details are coming out pretty much every day. It's going to be really interesting to see how successful the defense's strategy ends up being, and how the prosecution continues to build their case. What are your thoughts on this whole situation? Let us know down in the comments below. Give this video a like if you found the information helpful, and seriously, do not forget to subscribe for more deep analysis and the latest updates on stories like this. We'll see you in the next video. Basically, stay tuned for more updates on this.